Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm calling from Xavier States. This is Lola Tikla. And is this...
Exactly, ma'am.
Hello, buddy, what's your name?
My name is Ben.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Can you say your name louder?
Ben.
What was that? Bench?
Ben.
Bench?
Yes, ma'am.
Bench? Hey, Bench, I'm planning to stay in your hotel. Do you have any room that has a Duyan?
It has what again?
A Duyan?
A Duyan?
Yeah, a Duyan, for baby.
No, a grave. Is that what you mean?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Hello, Bench. Do you have a Duyan in your room?
Duyan, may nose on the line, please.
This is Lola Tikla.
Lola Tikla.
Yeah,
You're looking for a room as a Duyan?
yeah. May I know what are your accommodations there?
Okay, we do have standard, deluxe, and suite.
May I know what are the facilities on your standards?
Okay, the standard is composed of two single separate beds, hot and cold shower, air conditioned, a complimentary of water.
Do you have a worm for that?
Yeah, we do have, ma'am.
It's a cold and warm, isn't it?
Exactly.
Oh, um, I like to stay every time I go to a hotel. I ask for a durian. Do you have any of those, or could you make it for me? I could give you an extra charge of it. I could pay.
You're looking for a Duyan in the room?
Yeah, I've been in India. They really so accommodating. They make a durian. I said it's a Filipino. It's a Filipino. How the way they let their babies sleep. So me, I'm an old woman already, and I want to be more comfortable in sleeping. I have a problem sleeping. Do you get me?
Yeah, I get your point, but um, we could still provide regarding your request.
What do you mean? You can accommodate me? I believe that is one of the best hotels in the city, right?
Exactly, but regarding your request to put a Duyan in the room,
What? Say something. You're so you disappoint me.
you're Lola Tikla, right?
I'm sorry I can't hear you louder your voice.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
So you can accommodate me? Oh my God, you're so disappointing. Hello, Benz.
Yes, I'm listening. Sorry for that, ma'am, but
You know how I feel. I really love to sleep in a duyan. I've been traveling. I've been traveling all day long, and I want to sleep. I can't sleep here because they're partying.
if we could put a Duyan in the room, so we could accommodate you, but
And one thing else is, I usually play poker with my friends. Do you have any poker house there nearby?
yeah, there is. In Maxis.
Max's?
Yes.
Max fried chicken, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's not. It is a Max fried chicken, but what I'm saying is, it's a Maxis.
I'm sorry, Ben, you're losing me. Let's stick to what I want, alright? Could you just talk to me straight? Could you provide me with a duyan if I am going to have a reservation in your hotel? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry for that, ma'am. The management couldn't put or a Duyan in the room. Your request.
So what could be the alternative that I could sleep hang? I hate sleeping when very uncomfortable, you know.
Ma'am, why would you like to try to call?
Being the same will be referring me to Is that it? Is that how the way you market your hotel? Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Meaning to say, if I will be working in I will be marketing my hotel to anywhere else hotel in the city?
Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Thank you for waiting. This is Emma. May I help you?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Emma.
Yes.
Yes, Emma. You're one of your employee who assisted me a while ago. Just said that I'll be waiting.
May I on the line, please?
This is Lola Tikla.
Lola Tikla?
Yeah, I calling from Xavier Estates, and did Bench told you what I wanted?
You're from Xavier Estate?
Yeah, and I wanted to work in your hotel.
Where are you staying at Xavier Estate?
Yeah, in the house of my Apo.
Your Apo? What's your Apo?
I'm sorry, but it's not your goddamn business. I want to work in your hotel. Is it
Maybe
this?
you're more comfortable with your Apo.
No, I want to sleep in. How can I sleep in my Apo's house when they keep on partying? You know, I'm already an old woman.
Oh. So, what is your concern, ma'am?
My concern is I want to work in your hotel if they could provide me a Duyan.
Oh, I'm sorry, we cannot provide you a Duyan. We don't have that.
Hello, is this a supervisor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and what Ben told me that
You
he
can
leaves.
bring your own Duyan and we put it in the room, but we cannot provide it for you.
I'm so disappointed, you know?
Now, with regard to our hotel, we don't have Duyan in the room. There's only 2 single beds for the standard room. 1 single one, all we can offer for
You
the
know, when I went to India, when I stay in their hotel, there's so much accommodating. That's the service that I
What
like
is your
to.
family name, please?
Howard.
Howard?
Yeah,
Lola Tikla Howard?
yeah,
You're Filipina? You're, Balikbayan?
yeah, I am.
Oh,
I've been
okay.
I've been staying in Delaware.
Oh, that's a far place. So,
You know,
how long have you been
I
here in
have
the
a problem.
country?
No, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you're not listening to me. You know, I can't sleep. I can't really sleep in my Apple's house because they keep on partying. Because they can have their party the next week because they said it's a holiday, right?
Yes.
Then I can't sleep and I can compromise the happiness of my Apple.
Okay, ma'am. We will welcome you, but we can only offer those accommodations that I mentioned before. And we don't have a Duyan. I'm so sorry. But if you have a Duyan at home, you can bring it here to the hotel.
Wow. What's your name again? I didn't get it.
This is Eva, ma'am.
Eva. Okay, Eva. Even though I'm so upset, thank you so much for accommodating. All right.
Thank you for calling also.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Tutong-tutong na